Hi, I'm Stephanie with Transferxpress, and it's summertime, and that means it's huge opportunities for you to sell custom screen printed apparel for customers ready to tie the knot. Today, we want to give you some inspiration to help your business get into the wedding print game. From bachelor and bachelorette parties and even small items to make that special day unique and unforgettable. We're going to show you how to create some awesome wedding apparel items using our screen printed heat transfers and the EasyView online designer to help you create some memorable items for wedding season. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and dive right in. If you're new to the channel, Transferxpress is the leading supplier of digital and screen printed heat transfers for apparel printing. With 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona, we're able to meet the demand for our customers nationwide. We're dedicated to customer service, and helping grow custom apparel businesses is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on sending high quality, fashionable transfers on time and on budget. So we have a lot of different wedding items here, and the fabrics vary from cotton to polyester and some blends in between. So one of the most versatile transfers that you can use for a variety of different fabrics is going to be goof-proof. So let's head on over to transferxpress.com and create some designs in the EasyView online designer. Here in EasyView, we've already set up our gang sheet with a few different graphics. That's really one of the huge benefits of printing the entire sheet. You can include different clients' artwork or even toss in your own branding to get some extras. Now, all of this art was created using our clip arts and layouts. They're all free to use, and we're constantly adding more every single week. So if you don't see what you're looking for, just let us know, because some of our most popular designs come from your requests. Have your own artwork or design in Illustrator or Corel or even Photoshop? You can upload it right here using the Add Your Art button here on the left side. Once we've double checked our print specs here on the right-hand side, we can go ahead and add this one to our cart. Okay, so now that we have our transfers and some of our wedding items here that we're going to heat print, let's head over to the Hotronix Auto Clam 16x20 that I have behind me. I have it set for 365 degrees for our goof-proof transfers, and let's get to heat printing. So today we're working with a Bella Canvas crop top that's a 50/50 cotton polyester blend material. And I'm gonna go ahead and load this crop top right here on the platen and go ahead and pre-press the fabric for a few seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles. Now once we have our fabric pre-pressed, we can go ahead and grab our goof-proof screen printed transfer, and we're gonna go ahead and put the ink side facing down and use those super handy grid lines on the back to help us align and get everything nice and straight. So once we have our transfer aligned, we can go ahead and lock down our heat press for the 5 seconds for the goof-proof transfer. And once that heat press pops up, we can go ahead and quickly remove the transfer paper. And the Bachelorette Party Weekend t-shirt is complete. The next item I'm gonna decorate is something that you can find really easy and really inexpensive for a wedding favor bag. And we can decorate this on our heat press. So the first thing I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna remove this bottom platen cover here. And that is gonna help me make sure that the little bag stays put while I'm heat printing. So I have my heat press set at 365 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down this little cotton canvas bag with the drawstrings off of the press to make sure that I have a nice flat, even pressure. I'll go ahead and clamp down and pre-press for a few seconds just to remove any moisture or wrinkles. And once that pre-press is done, I'm gonna take my small goof-proof transfer that I cut apart off of my gang sheet, and I'll go ahead and put it ink side facing down and align it on this nice little favor bag, and go ahead and apply for 5 seconds for the goof-proof transfer. And once that heat press pops up, we can go ahead and peel off the transfer paper. Our bag is complete. So the next gift that we're gonna decorate for wedding favors is a nice slipper that you can use for wedding favor bags for hotel guests. So now I have my goof-proof screen printed transfer cut apart from my gang sheet. And also what I'm gonna be using for heat printing that's really helpful is a mouse pad. And I've cut apart this basic mouse pad, and we are gonna use it to help us keep the shoe flat on the heat press. See how that doesn't lay flat there, hard to heat print. I'm gonna take my mouse pad that I cut apart, and I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it in the shoe just so that it keeps it a little bit flatter. Now I can have a nice flat print. I'll go ahead and pre-press. So now that I have my heat press set, I can go ahead and grab my screen printed goof-proof transfer and align it on the fabric here. And once it's aligned, I can go ahead and close the heat press for 4 seconds. And once that pops up, go ahead and peel off the transfer paper, and your nice slipper for a wedding gift favor is complete. And just like that, we have a wide range of wedding items ready to sell. I hope you found some inspiration to make the newlyweds' wedding night unforgettable before, during, and after the wedding. As always, I'm Stephanie. Click the like and subscribe button below to learn more about heat printing because we're pushing out videos every single week.